Crushing ordinary-looking stones may seem like a simple, mechanical process, but beneath the surface lies a complex world of hidden value. Within these rocks, gold and silver are trapped, often in ways that are invisible to the untrained eye. These metals have been concentrated over millions of years through geological processes, including hydrothermal fluid movement, pressure changes, and chemical reactions within the rock. Understanding how these precious metals reside inside their host rocks is crucial for anyone serious about recognizing true geological value. Gold, with its distinctive density and chemical stability, often accumulates in veins within quartz, in sulfide-rich minerals, or in the fractures of host rocks. Silver, while slightly less dense, follows similar pathways, often associating with galena, chalcopyrite, or other mineral deposits. These metals are rarely present in solid chunks visible to the naked eye. Instead, they are finely dispersed, bound within the mineral matrix of the stone. This means that extraction requires a precise understanding of the rock structure and the mineral assemblages it contains. When a prospector encounters a promising stone, the first indication of hidden gold or silver may be its weight relative to its size, subtle metallic streaks, or reflective flecks embedded in the host rock. Experienced eyes can detect density variations and metallic inclusions that most people overlook. Cracking the rock or crushing it reveals these hidden elements, exposing veins, particles, and nuggets that were previously invisible. The process of crushing does not require chemicals to confirm the presence of metals. By breaking the stone carefully, natural separations occur along planes of weakness, often coinciding with metal-rich veins. This mechanical process allows gold and silver to become accessible without altering their chemical state. In many cases, observing the crushed fragments under magnification immediately highlights metallic luster, color differences, and grain patterns unique to precious metals. The patterns themselves can indicate whether the deposit is significant enough to warrant further extraction. Quartz-hosted gold veins are a prime example of how hidden wealth can be revealed through crushing. The rock may appear dull, opaque, or even ordinary on the surface, yet inside it may contain visible gold threads intertwined with the crystalline matrix. Silver frequently occurs alongside gold in these veins or within associated sulfide minerals. The interaction between gold, silver, and quartz reflects millions of years of geological activity, including repeated cycles of heating, cooling, and fluid infiltration. These processes gradually concentrate metals in specific areas, creating a natural distribution that skilled prospectors can identify. Another critical aspect is the presence of metallic sulfides within the host rock. Minerals such as pyrite, galena, and chalcopyrite can mask gold and silver, making stones appear less valuable at first glance. However, when crushed, these sulfide-bearing rocks often reveal microscopic to visible gold and silver grains. This principle highlights the importance of understanding host rock geology. Certain rock types, even those that appear ordinary or unremarkable, are far more likely to contain precious metals. The texture and fracture patterns of the stone also provide vital clues. Fine-grained fractures can guide metal-rich fluids over time, depositing gold and silver along veins and cracks. Crushing these stones along their natural planes often exposes the highest concentrations. In some cases, multiple crushing cycles reveal progressively more metals, emphasizing how even a single ordinary-looking rock can contain remarkable value when examined carefully. Not all gold and silver deposits are immediately visible after the first crushing. Some particles are microscopic and require observation under magnification, but the principle remains the same. The host rock itself serves as a natural container for precious metals. Its internal structure, density, and mineral associations dictate where gold and silver accumulate, and understanding these geological relationships allows prospectors to focus on rocks with the highest potential. Crushing rocks is not merely about extraction, it is about geological storytelling. Each stone contains evidence of past fluid movement, pressure, temperature changes, and mineral reactions. By studying the crushed fragments, one can reconstruct the history of metal deposition and identify patterns that suggest additional high-value finds. For example, a rock showing fine quartz veins laced with silver may indicate proximity to larger gold concentrations nearby. Similarly, certain sulfide textures reveal repeated episodes of metal-rich fluid infiltration, suggesting a long-lasting mineralizing event in the area. The economic significance of these discoveries is immense. Gold and silver are globally recognized as both store-of-value assets and industrial resources. Identifying and understanding how these metals are concentrated within host rocks can guide collectors, prospectors, and investors toward potentially lucrative finds. By focusing on the subtle clues revealed during crushing, metallic luster, density contrast, vein patterns, and mineral associations, one can separate ordinary stones from truly valuable specimens. The principles highlighted here are applicable across diverse terrains. Even in regions with no visible gold outcrops, certain stone types, quartz-rich veins, sulfide-bearing rocks, and dense host minerals can conceal precious metals. The key lies in observation, patience, and careful mechanical processing to reveal what nature has locked away for millions of years. Crushing stones to reveal gold and silver requires a combination of geological knowledge, careful technique, and respect for the rock's integrity. It is a process that blends science with discovery, turning seemingly ordinary stones into windows of hidden value. For anyone passionate about geology, precious metals, or investment-grade mineral exploration, this method offers a direct glimpse into the processes that concentrate wealth deep within the earth. Even a single rock can change what you notice forever. After proper examination, crushing, and observation, ordinary stones reveal golden threads, silver glints, and the unmistakable shimmer of precious metals, demonstrating that value often lies hidden in plain sight. If you've learned something new today and want to see more professional-level insights into geology, our content helps you recognize hidden value that most people overlook, providing long-form educational documentaries, mineral analysis, and discovery strategies. There exists a class of stones most people step over without a second glance. Smooth, heavy, mysterious. Their surfaces whisper of pressure, erosion, and hidden histories sealed beneath layers of mineral armor. But beneath that calm exterior, these stones are not ordinary at all. They are geological vaults capable of concealing metals